In this video, we are going to see what is anonymous class and why we use anonymous class in object-oriented programming. So let's see the example. Anonymous classes are useful when simple one-off objects needs to be created, and anonymous classes are just exact same to the normal named classes. So for example, we create a class here and we say base class. So we'll create something like this, and then you're going to create a variable to create the object, and then you say new base, and there you created an object, right? So that's how you create normally. Now if in case of anonymous, you simply I'm just going to comment this one so that we can see the output. Here I'm going to create an anonymous class. To do that, I'm going to say simply class, and then we are going to provide anything inside it. So when you create class, you just need to add new in front of it. So if you match the syntax, you will see that we are doing something like this here. Here we are providing the class name. Here we are just saying class, and inside it we can have properties. So we can say public and $name. Let's put a value in here. So I add Roger. All right. Now, just like the normal class, we can put it into a variable. So I'm going to do that. I say base is equal to base. Now here we can see what exactly we have in this class. So I simply say var underscore dump, and I'm going to pass $base inside it, so you can see. And here I have a refresh. I missed something. Let me see. I need to put a semicolon here. Go here, refresh, and we get the object. It says class anonymous and name, that the variable we have, and the value of it. So the only thing is it looks quite similar to a function, like you in function you will be saying a function, the function name. It's something like that is happening, but we are basically creating an object straight away, and we are not providing the class name, and that's what an anonymous class is. We will be using anonymous class, but not that much. You will see more example of it, so you get the understanding how things work. But for now, this is all I want you to know, that we can create an anonymous class, and this is the way of it. And in some scenarios, we will be creating anonymous classes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.